Of course, today I'm going to talk something about which most of you are already doing. How to age confidently is what we want to discuss about. I'm just going to introduce certain tips which you must be already doing. Uh, I think, and these are tried and tested tips for aging in confidence. One is, of course, I think. Reduce all the stress in your life. I know it's very difficult to say that you can't be worried, but you can't age with confidence if you're always constantly worrying about every little thing that can go wrong, because then everything can go wrong. So you can't be that negative. So eliminate as much as every stressful things is concerned. So for example, stress all in your head, just think that it's time to get it out of there. So the earlier you do it, the better it is. So for one, sometimes I wouldn't say, there can be certain people who give you too much of a negative vibes. So try to distance yourself from those people, because it doesn't really sort of help you in life. It doesn't give you a very positive outlook. Then I would say, just keep yourself busy. Keep yourself busy in keeping a mental sort of aspect, or else stress just keeps coming up. Now, very important is diet, I think. Just don't read here and there and try to change your diet. You have to see, if you want to lose weight, also take help. Do not just think this is healthy, this is not. So cleaning up your diet is important. So keep it as clean as possible. Balanced meals with a lot of proteins, vegetables. Take out the unhealthy snacks for just fruits, and also certain fiber rich oil. If there is fiber, more fiber, तो खाना आराम से डाइजेस्ट होगा. Do not ever see, everybody will have cravings. आपको हमेशा मन करेगा कि ये खाना है, वो खाना है. But even have that in moderation. नहीं तो होता क्या है, हम बस मतलब हमें मन करता है और एक टाइम में इतना खा लेते हैं कि वो बिंज फीडिंग हो जाता है, कि इतना ज्यादा खा लेते हैं कि हमें आता. Then इतना याद रखिए, eating good is also very important for a good skin. So good amount of water and good amount of diet is important for a good skin. So for your skin to be healthy also, you should eat well. Then I think in every talk that I give, I have told you कि exercise करना बहुत जरूरी है. It's not only about, एक fad रहता है कि नहीं, we only to lose weight or nothing like that. You have to exercise to keep yourself fit. So how do you do that? No matter how your age is, you have to make sure that your legs are moving, your heart is pumping, and that is where it will be good for your body and your mind both. So what you can do is take a daily walk around your neighborhood now that things are opening up, or a lot of people have done very well in this. If they have a terrace, they've actually gone up to the terrace, and timing wise, see, all older people are very smart. So they coordinate with other older people and say that you are going in this time, I'll go in that time, so that they are not actually even, or the terraces itself are so huge that nobody is really sort of near. So if you are blessed with such a terrace, then you should use it. Then try to attend yoga classes. I think a lot of older adults, in fact, all age groups, it online now, and it is helping them also. Then at least 30 minutes a day of exercise is important. So lesser the more the exercise, there will be lesser stress, more positivity, better memory, and even pain will be good. Now, one should always try to invest on self-care. By self-care, I mean because age is just a number, so you shouldn't keep thinking that just because there's a certain age you can't look this way or look that way. Then I think one of the most important things is never stop learning. I told you, the brain becomes very bored. So the more you want to learn, the more the brain will be fit. I said, a new language, maybe a video class, take a class on how to teach others something. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नॉट ओनली डू यू लर्न, ट्राई टू मेक श्योर कि आप सीखने के बाद दूसरों को भी सिखाएं. तो इतना याद रखिए कि जब आप वो करते हैं तो आप अपनी नॉलेज को और स्ट्रांग करते हैं और आपकी मेमोरी को भी स्ट्रांग करते हैं। देन ऑफ कोर्स if and when things move out, improve, if you are fit enough, you should travel. थोड़ा बहुत ट्रैवल करना चाहिए। और मुझे पता है बहुत सारे लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं और बस एक चेंज ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट की बात है। आप बोलेंगे नहीं मैं ज्यादा चल नहीं सकती हूँ या चल नहीं सकता, तो ट्रैवल करके क्या करना? नहीं, आप तब भी ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं। और अभी तो और भी अच्छा है, डू नॉट लिमिट योरसेल्फ, अभी वर्चुअल टूर्स भी है। तो अगर आप ऑनलाइन भी दूसरे कंट्रीज देख सके, एटलीस्ट देख के तो रखिए कि थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट क्यूरियोसिटी बिल्डअप होती है, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड फॉर पासिंग योर टाइम एंड इट गिव्स यू समथिंग एक्साइटिंग टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू। देन ऑल्सो I think, again coming on the looks part, as far as wearing clothes are concerned, why is it important? Because हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि हमारी इतनी उम्र हो गई तो हम ऐसे नहीं कपड़े पहन सकते, हमें ऐसे ही पहनना चाहिए। So you should always push the fashion boundaries. Whatever you want to wear, whether at any age you want to wear any type of clothing, you should wear. It is your body, it is your wish, it is your will. Never dress for the society or others. आप अपने लिए ड्रेस करते हैं, तो आप चाहे कुछ भी करें अपनी देखभाल करने के, हमेशा इतना याद रखिए जब अपने आप को हम ड्रेस करते हैं इन एनी वे, वी आर हैप्पी अबाउट इट, इसलिए करते हैं, not because we just want to show to the entire world. So that never changes even if you age. So please continue to do so. Then very पानी, stay hydrated. मतलब दिन में एटलीस्ट 1 से 1.5 लीटर पानी आपको पीते रहना है। एंड समटाइम्स स्किप हो जाता है बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव दैट थर्स्ट। एज यू गेट ओल्डर उतनी प्यास नहीं लगती। सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल, हैव 1 लीटर ऑफ बॉटल एंड हैव दैट टारगेट कि नहीं, आई हैव टू फिनिश दिस particular amount of water during the day. Of course, if you feel more thirsty, then you're more welcome. You're welcome to take water. Only thing is, make sure कि आप, if you have any issues with your urine, so sometimes what happens is if you drink too much of water after 6, तो बार बार फिर पेशाब जाना पड़ता है. So make sure that you drink a limited amount, just which is enough after 6 p.m. See, it's very simple. Next point being sleep. I think sleep is important for everything. It's a fad कि as you grow older पक्का sleep कम हो जाएगा. No, there are a lot of older people who sleep really well. And the amount of sleep is not important. The quality of sleep is important. As there is a quote by George Burns, you can't help get older, but that doesn't mean you have to get old. I mean, age is increasing. उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि mindset में भी आपको सोचना है कि नहीं मैं old हो गया हूँ. So try to always sleep on time, which is your target. मतलब 1-2 दिन आगे पीछे हो गया. Why? Because the body has got a rhythm, and at all ages. So if you keep disturbing that rhythm, एक बार 1 बजे, एक बार 3 बजे, एक बार 10 बजे, then the body, for the biorhythm, it's important that you sleep at a good time. Then another thing is sometimes decluttering helps. Decluttering your mind, negative thoughts को अलग करना, decluttering your house. If there are certain things which you don't want in your house, वो बोलते हैं ना minimalistic living जिसको कहते हैं, तो उसको निकाल दीजिए. I know a lot of times there is a lot of memories, lot of things important, but I think the way you age confidently and longer is by letting go also. Obviously, you have seen so many things. So throughout the time, you have to let go of things, and that's what should help you. Then, of course, I think happiness. Ultimately, why are we living? It's all the pursuit of happiness. Ultimately, you want to be happy. So do things that keep you happy, because ultimately you yourself as an individual, आप सबसे important हो. तो अगर individually अपने आप को खुश रखेंगे, so that would be one of the best things that you will be able to do or contribute to yourself. Then, of course, there are certain other things which are important, which include, one is of course always develop a new focus. क्या है कि it's very easy to get bored in life. Have बोलते हैं, I'm sure you would have attended a lot of sessions by Amrita also. So we always have common discussions saying that it's all about a reason to live. जब आप अगले दिन उठते हैं तो एक वजह होनी चाहिए. So you need to have a new reason to live and plan your entire life. Then another important thing is acknowledge and accept. I think acceptance बहुत important है कि मैं इतना ही कर सकता हूँ, इतना ही कर सकती हूँ. Not because आपका एज हो गया है, but because I want to do only this much. So that is also very important. You don't need to push the boundaries always. Limitations होना बहुत important है. Believe in yourself. I think if you are, that's why you have been living to whatever age. Let go of the past. I think that is always very very important. क्योंकि हम है ना, it's very I mean you can keep repeating that sentence and the कहावत जिसको हम कहते हैं कि past is gone, future is uncertain because we don't know, and we have to always live in the present. But no, we always don't tend to live in the present and think about the past. That is, tomorrow we again think about the previous day. So that's what should never sort of happen. Then another I think another important thing which is there is try to look at the small moments in life, because you must have had plenty of them. So try to share your sort of life stories because it's your experience. Then try to develop a good network of friends. पहले से, I mean, it's always helpful to have it. Then of course try to develop a good sense of humor. होता क्या है, कहना बहुत आसान है कि नहीं हंसी मजाक हमेशा चलते रहता है, but then try to develop that, because ultimately the humor always helps. Then finally I would say कि चाहे वर्ल्ड कुछ भी करते रहे, आपको अपने आप के लिए टाइम होना चाहिए. मेक टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ. सेलिब्रेट योर लाइफ in whatever way you want. I am not saying because death is inevitable, वो कभी भी आ जाएगा, नहीं, इसके लिए नहीं. Because see, you have done all your responsibilities which you felt were to be done or not to be done. In various cultures, at 18 itself, children are away and they have to fend for themselves. But we are born in Indian culture where we obviously do, and there is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong in our culture that we follow that. It's not that we have to aim from the West. बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज है जो हमें उनसे लेनी चाहिए और जो हमारे में है वो हमें प्रिजर्व करना चाहिए. बट दिस इज योर टाइम, because if you have to take tension, you will keep tension. First you will take tension about your children, then you will take tension about your grandchildren. If you live long, you will take tension about your great grandchildren also. So ultimately, taking tension, enjoy all the moments and let them take their tensions, because ultimately उनका भी family, उनको भी decision करना है. You should enjoy and keep enjoying forever, because this is how you want to go. Ultimately I'm sure death is an inevitability, और कोई भी death से नहीं डरता. What you want to do is be happy. I mean, I would say the best death is just sleep में death होना, but the way of death is not in under control. But before that, if we are able to enjoy the fullest, age confidently, so that is what would keep you in a very healthy mental and physical space. So this was just in brief some tips, some things which you're already maybe doing, and some things which you already do. But what I would always say is never be happy in doing it for yourself. Share with दूसरों के साथ शेयर कीजिए कि आपने क्या किया जिसके वजह से चीजें आपके लिए वर्क की. क्या पता कि आपको पता नहीं होगा कितने लोगों का जो देखने का नजरिया है लाइफ का आप चेंज कर देंगे. So thanks a lot for your patient hearing. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Anybody has any questions, please unmute yourself, ask the question, then mute yourself.
Yes, I have a question, Doctor. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. My name is Adil. I want to know. I am walking regularly for the last couple of years. But recently I stopped. 3.5 months I did not go out. Now I will start going. So if you do walking, say about 2 kilometers, is it okay instead of doing exercise? They say walking is the best exercise. So is it okay if walking I do only?
Yeah, walking is fine. Only thing I'll say, because you have a month break, so try to start slowly again. Maybe first day walk a bit more, lesser amount of kilometers, then slowly increase your intensity, because your body will not be used to the 3.5 months before that. So give yourself a bit of warm up and slowly increase.
Because everything is not possible.
Yeah, fine.
But some negativity is there, negative thoughts and disturbance of sleep and all that is there. But otherwise, physically there are no problem. So do my the everyday rights activity. So there's no problem that way. But some how to remove negativity. You say beauty for you and you to enjoy life, right? But then I think I am lonely. So my daughters are there, but they are away. I am lonely at home. So that is another problem.
Any other questions for the doctor? Is there, doctor? Is there a question in that?
No, I would, of course, I would say that if you're feeling very lonely, then you should seek out help, because ultimately that's how you will be able to reduce it. So I think maybe a more professional help should be helpful. Whether it's seeking out help to a doctor or a companion, that would be something you can sort of look forward to.
Yeah, doctor.
Okay.
Doctor, can I say something to you? Can I ask you something?
Yes.
At this age, like I'm trying to keep myself very busy. I tried writing lot of Bible exams and studying and writing and all that. That is okay, but still sometimes the thoughts just come to mind and trouble. That like I should have done this. I mean, there were a lot of capability I felt I had, and somehow for some reason or the other I couldn't complete that. So that keeps worrying. Oh, why didn't I do that? I should have been this way. I should have been that way, or this thing. So that is rather negative thought, na?
No, but I would say again, it's very, very simple. Can we change it? Unless we develop a time machine, we can't go back in time and change it.
That is true.
So you have to stop thinking about that, and you're still doing a lot of things. So try to keep focusing on doing those, because it's very
keep
easy.
myself very busy.
Exactly. So you're already doing it. I'm saying no use getting lost into the past. Make sure you are living in the present and trying to enjoy that, because that you can't change. Regrets can be for life, but now you are in a position to create more milestones. So do that rather than thinking of the regrets.
Yes.
I think we have time for one more question. I know doctor has an appointment at 11:30 sharp. Last question, please, if anybody has. Thank you very much, doctor. This was very, very helpful. A recording of this is on our website, will be on our website by end of day. In case you have any other topics you'd like the doctor to cover, please do write to us privately. And once again, Dr. Prem, thank you for all that you do for us. Bless you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, sir.